Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are Kashif Ali, and today I am showing how to create VPC and how to create internet gateway, how to create routing tables, and how to create NAT gateway, elastic IPs, and end-to-end process. I am telling how to create subnet, public subnet, private subnet, how to associate NAT gateway to subnet, how to associate internet gateway to subnet through routing tables. Let's start. First of all, you have to go to the virtual private cross service. Just wait, it's opening. Something my net issue is coming up. Okay, now next, click on create VPC. Here you have to select only VPC. Here you have to enter the name of your VPC. As you say, I am entering my custom VPC. Okay, I am giving the CIDR range 10.0.0.0/16, means 65,000 IPs are allocated. Now next, okay, fine. Now create VPC. After that, next step is go to the subnet and create our public subnet and private subnet. Go to the subnet, select VPC. I am selecting my own created VPC, and here you have to enter the subnet name. I am entering subnet name public subnet. Okay, and then after I am selecting ability zone. As you see, I am selecting 1A, and CIDR range for subnet. We are entering 10.0.0.0 and 24, means it's allowing 256 IPs, means you can create 256 servers. Now next step, create another subnet. It will be private subnet. By default all subnets are private. Through the if we route it through the internet gateway, it will be public. Okay, I am giving the name private subnet, and here you have to select ability zone as your wish. You can select any one of these. I am selecting second one. Now here you have to enter 10.0.1.0 because the series 225 is end. That's why I am selecting this, and 24, means our series will be start from 1. uh, I am showing the example of that. Wait a minute, go to the Excel. here I have set as you see. First series I am done like this, uh, 0 to 255 last, because it is 8 bits. And next series I will be start like this, 10.0.1.0 to 10.0.1.02. Series will be go 10.0.1.255. Okay, them same condition like this. After that you have to create another if you have to create another subnet, take this series. Okay, now next, uh, go to the okay, done. Now you have to create subnet. Still wait, subnet is creating. Now our public subnet and private subnet is successfully created. Now next step is go to the internet gateway option. Here you have to create internet gateway. Internet gateway, I I am entering my IG. Okay, internet gateway IGW. Now create. By default it is detached. You have to attach this. First of all, select the internet gateway you are created and go to the actions and attach to VPC. Which VPC? Your own created VPC. Here is your own created VPC and attach to the internet gateway. Now next step is create a route table. Edit this. Here you have to go to the edit routes. Here you have to add all traffic towards the internet gateway and select your own created internet gateway and save it. After that you have to assign the public subnet. First of all, go to the subnet associations, and here you have to go to the subnet association edit, and here you have to select public only, and next save. Save. Okay, done. Now it's done, and now our internet gateway is done. Next is NAT gateway. So go to the NAT gateway. Here create a NAT gateway. Here I am entering my NAT. Guys, full form of NAT is network address translator. It will change the IP to protect from the hacker. Okay, I am taking zonal. Here I am selecting public because the NAT gateway inside the public subnet. That's why I am selecting the public subnet. Here you have to allocate the elastic IP. Done. Now create it. Now next step, go to the route tables. Here you have to create one route table. First of all, the first table I will give PV public route table. This is public, and now I am creating a private route table PVT, and here you have to select my custom VPC and create route table. Okay, now first of all you have to edit the routes. Here you have to add route. Here you have to select all traffic. Here you have to select NAT gateway, and here you have to select NAT gateway ID. Now save it. Now similar step guys. Next step is here you have to go to the subnet association, and here you have to edit subnet association, and now you have to select private subnet. Okay, done. Now our VPC is successfully set up. I will show by the diagram how it's will be set up. Guys, see here. Uh, Suppose this is a VPC. Okay, this is VPC. Inside we have two subnet, public and private subnet. Okay, private subnet. This is public subnet. Okay, now here the internet gateway IG. This is IG. IG. IG means internet gateway. Okay. Now suppose here is a developer. Uh, I get the image of developer from the internet. Developer. Okay. Go to the image. Here I am taking the developer. Copy image. Control V, and suppose this is developer. Okay. And now as you see, we are created route table also. This suppose this is a route table. This is suppose this is public route table. Okay, and this is private route table. Okay, and we have to take another image for your better understanding. Here I am selecting Amazon EC2. Copy image. Okay, I am pasting this one and this one. Guys, this step is remaining. We are creating a EC2 instance also, uh, and also we are allowing security group. Here also we are creating security group SG. SG. This is SG. This is public RT, public route table. Private route table, PVT, PVTRT. Okay. If the developer, okay, all setup is done. See guys, if the developer want to access this server, he want to log in first this remote server firstly. Okay, and after that it will be connect through this with the private IP. Okay, this is the roadmap of developer. Developer come through here and go to the internet gateway, and from the internet gateway it will be routed to public subnet, and from the public subnet here we have a NAT gateway. As you see, we are associate NAT gateway in the public subnet. Okay, uh, this suppose this is NAT gateway, this is NAT gateway. Okay, this will come through the NAT gateway from the public RT, and it will go through here from here to private RT, from private RT to this server. Okay, by default we are not any enable any kind of internet for this private subnet, because internet gateway is not connected to this. That's why we are using NAT gateway. From the firstly internet come through towards the NAT gateway. NAT gateway route through the private RT. Then it will be go to the EC2 instance, means our private subnet. Okay. Now let's create, guys. First of all, go to the EC2 instance. EC2, open in new tab. uh, Now guys, listen here. Here I am launching one EC2 instance. Okay, uh, I will name it web server. Web server. Okay, and scroll down. Instance type I am selecting T2 micro, and image I am selecting Amazon Linux. And here you have to create one new key pair, VPC. I am entering VPC key. Okay, create. Now go to edit. Here you have to select our own VPC. We are selecting the private subnet. Okay, no, we are selecting public subnet first of all, as your wish. First of all, which one you have to create it. uh, Now I am selecting existing security group. Go to the advanced. Here nothing to do, guys. Okay, now launch our EC2 instance. Okay, our EC2 instance is successfully launched. This is our this is our web server. Now launch another EC2 instance. As you see in the diagram, now we are creating private server. Okay, here we will give application server. Okay, guys, we are deploying application only in the private subnet, not public subnet. Okay, now select our key pair. Here edit, select our own created VPC. Here select private subnet. This auto assign as it is disabled. Okay, now select existing security group and okay, done. All configurations is done. Now launch our private server. So guys, our private subnet server is successfully launched. Okay, our private server is successfully launched. Now go to the security group. Which one? Which VPC? Wait a minute. Which VPC is my? Yes, this is my VPC. VPC ID is BBC. Okay, edit in one rule. Here you have to delete this and add rule. Here to enter SSH because we are connecting through remote. Here you have to give here you have to give any IP. For the protection, you have to give your own private IP. Just for now, I am selecting any IPv4. Okay. Now save it. Okay, guys, all configuration is done. Now we are opening mobile XTEM. Go to the session. Go to the SSH. Now we have to copy the public IP of our public server, means our web server. Guys, I think I not enable the public IP in the web server. For enable it, go to the actions, go to the networking. Here manage IP address, go inside it, and here you have to extract it, and here you have to enable public IP and save. See guys, now our public IP is showing. Copy this public IP, go to the remote SSH and paste it, and here you have to tick, and here you have to enter the username. Username is ec2-user, and go to the private key. Here you have to select your VPC PEM file click on OK. Guys, as you see, we are successfully connected our public subnet, our public server. Okay. First of all, check the internet, pin google.com. Okay. First of all, we have to check our internet gateway is working or not. As you see, it's working. Okay, fine. Now we have to connect our private server from the public server. Okay, that can be called bastion server. Public server is also called bastion server, jump server. And now we have to create one for connecting the private server. We have to add some file, PEM file, because in the private subnet we have private server, we have uh, private public key, and in our remote we have the private key. For connecting both, if both are connected, then our server will connect, our public server will connect it to our private server. Okay, now here I am entering my VPC key dot pim. Click on OK dot pim. Okay, now you have to copy your private key from the local. Go to the file explorer. Here, as you see here, I am downloaded. Open with notepad. Copy all and paste to mobile system. And here click on escape. WQ and escalate. It will save quickly. Okay, now we have to give read permissions to our PEM file. For that we are entering ch mode, ch mode 400, and for which PEM file. Okay, done. Now next step is enter the command ssh hyphen I. Guys, this command will be connect our private subnet through the public server. Okay, now here you have to enter your PIM file. Now here ec2 hyphen user username and at the right private server private IP. Okay, uh, this is private server. Copy the private IP of the private server and paste here. And look guys, it is successfully connected guys. Now we are enter in the private subnet, in the private server. Okay, First of all, developer go through the internet gateway, then it will go to public route table, then it will go to the uh, public subnet, and here also go to the NAT gateway for the internet. NAT gateway to route the internet to this and this. Then the server 2, after that our server 2 also have internet to download resources. So thank you guys watching my video, and also subscribe my channel your Kashif Ali for amazing AWS videos.